Consider 2 squared cubed. That would mean 2 squared multiplied by 2 squared multiplied by 2 squared. But each 2 squared is 2 times 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. With 6 2's in a row, this is 2 to the power 6. Now consider 2 to the power 4 squared. This would be 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 4. Each 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Doing the same to the second 2 to the 4, we can see that we have 8 2's in a row. With 8 2's in a row, what we have is 2 to the power 8. Consider here 2 squared cubed, that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Note this is the power here. 4 times 2 we know is equal to 8. And note that is the power here. This leads us to a new index law. If we have a to the m, and we then raise that to the power n, we get a to the m times n.